Press the plastic buckle to remove the headrest. Make sure the airbag sign near the door. Unzip and put on the front cover. Loosen the flap on the back of the original seat. Use the tool to push fabric into the gap, then tighten it into place at the back. Zip up the side. Lift the pad and remove the Velcro protector. Tuck the fabric into the backrest of the seat cover. Tighten the fabric again and stick the Velcro on the back. Fix elastic band for further fixation. Turn to base, correctly cover the base cover. Stuff the elastic bands and excess leather into the gaps as well. Adjust the seat cover to fit the seat better. Left side just inserted into the pre-made hole, to be fixed in place. Put the plastic buckle in the corner into the gap and secure it at the back. Thread the webbing under the seat and tighten it with the connecting buckle. Put on headgear and adjust to the appropriate position. Custom car seat cover for Jeep Wrangler JL 4-door. Come to the back seat install. For Jeep Wrangler JL 4-door with rear cup holder. Put down the armrest and put the cover according to the opening position. Smooth the leather from top to bottom to make it more fitting. Once everything is in place, stick the Velcro on the back and shoulder to fix it easily. Tuck excess fabric into the gap between the armrests. Use the tool to push fabric into the gap like front seat. Tighten the fabric and stick it to the back. Find another seat cover, fix them in the same way. Press the plastic buckle to remove the headrest. This is a separate armrest cover. Firstly, insert the lower cloth into the gap and fix it around the armrest. Adjust in place according to the position of the opening. Middle headrest is also separately covered and then put back on the seat. Put on headgear and stick. For Jeep Wrangler JL 4-door without rear cup holder, easily. Simply place a bench cover along the arc of the back seat. Tuck the elastic band underneath, and tighten it with the connecting buckle. Secure the reinforced Velcro under the seat.